Hi everyone, welcome back. We are going to be building birdhouses today. Long story short, I had a bird nest in my backyard last year and it was on the ground and I had to barricade it with like children's toys and a bunch of crap for a few months. Well, maybe not months, like weeks. I don't know, however long it took the birds to hatch because I didn't want my big fat dogs to step on the bird nest. Super cute, it was super fun. So this year I decided that I wanted to build birdhouses to put up along my fence line. I think I'm gonna build like 3, I don't know, and then I'm gonna let my kids paint them and then I'm gonna put them on the fence line. I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be super cute. I have this extra piece of wood, so I'm just gonna use this because I have extra wood and I'm not gonna go buy any, so why not? I've seen the birds out collecting sticks and stuff in my yard, so I don't want another nest on the ground. And if I catch the nest being built soon enough, I can move it. So I'm gonna take a look in my backyard and make sure I have no nests. I think it's still too early, but let's just get going. Okay, so I have the first 7 cuts for the first one I'm gonna build. I'm gonna build this one first and then see how it's actually built and then make adjustments for the second and the third one because I've never done this before and I'm just using scrap wood. I need to see how this is gonna turn out. And if it does turn out good, below in the comments, I will put all of the cuts like I did with the kids' table and chairs. So it'll all be listed below. And it's only 7 cuts. So it's super small, super easy. And yeah, let's build this and see how it turns out. Oh, I do need to 45-degree the edges. Gotta do that and then we'll build it. Is she perfect? No, you can kind of see that it's not super centered, but it's adorable and I love it and I can't wait for my kids to paint it. Is this bigger than I thought it would be? Yes, this is very big, but that's fine. I think it's cute. I think I'm probably gonna make 2 more. My son did fall asleep on the couch, so I'm gonna make 2 more. I'm gonna let him dry and then hopefully by that time my son will be up from his nap because if I let my daughter paint one and he's not awake, yeah. Okay, so anyways, let's keep going. We're gonna make 2 more. These are so cute. I can't wait to just screw them on my fence and then, yeah. Okay, so we are done. They each came out a little bit different and unique in their own way because I just tried different things, but I really like the way that they turned out and I did decide to sand them down just because I didn't want the edges like super crispy when my kids go to paint them, and also I want the birds to be happy in their homes. So I'm gonna let these dry because it is lunchtime, so I'm gonna go inside, get some lunch ready for my family, and then I'm gonna get the table all set up so the kids can paint these, and then we will put them outside and hopefully we will have some little birdies again this spring. I loved the birds that we had last year in the nest, so if I do have another nest, I will keep you guys updated on the nest progress because it was super fun last year and the kids really loved it. So I'm hoping by putting these out, I get a couple and we just don't have any like ground nests because that was terrifying last year.